Om Sai Ram friends, welcome to a new video about Shirdi Sai Baba. But before we begin, let me tell you something from the bottom of my heart. There is no fixed method to connect with Sai Baba. Remember, there is no perfect ritual. There is no compulsory rule because with Baba, it is not about how you ask or how you pray. It is just about your faith and love for Baba. So whatever I share in this video, remember it's just a guide and it's not a rule book that you have to follow. If your heart tells you to do something different, please do that. Baba is listening and will always listen to his devotees. So in this video, we'll know how to keep a Sai Baba idol or a photo at home. If there are any rules and placement tips for those who are confused. So if you are planning to keep a Sai Baba idol at home, but you are unsure about where to keep the idol, how to keep Baba happy and well, this video will help you. I'll tell you about some important rules that you might follow, some placement tips which devotees have often shared with me. So why does it actually matter? Why do you have to know all this? Remember, for devotees, having Sai Baba's present at home brings peace, protection and positivity. But it's not just about bringing an idol. It is about giving Baba the love and respect that he deserves at your home. So whether you keep a small photo, you have a marble idol or you have a framed poster, you should treat it like Baba is actually living in your home. He's living with you. You have to feel his presence through that idol or photo. So where can you keep the idol or photo of Baba? Ideally, it is said that the northeast corner is the best place for keeping Baba's idol or photo because it is the Ishan corner. You can select a clean and a quiet place. You can keep a photo in a puja room or any peaceful corner. But avoid keeping Baba near the bathroom or directly facing the main door. It is good to place the idol of Baba at least 3 feet high from the ground. You should never keep Baba on the floor. Ensure Baba faces the east or the west direction for spiritual energy. So what should be the ideal size, materials and your setup space? You can keep a small idol made of marble, brass or even a framed photo, whatever you get. Baba never cared about form. Keep it manageable size. A small idol maybe of 6 to 12 inches is perfect if your space is limited. So, how do you set up his space? Place a clean cloth under the idol if you have one, preferably a yellow or a white one. You can offer fresh flowers or tulsi leaves daily if you can, but it's not a rule or a compulsion. You can light a diya in the morning or evening, even for just 5 minutes. But keep the area clean and clutter-free. Baba never liked dirt and dirty things around his place. Don't place him in the kitchen or in the bookshelves. Avoid placing too many idols in one space. Don't keep broken or chipped idols at home. You can respectfully immerse or donate the ones that have broken down or you no longer want to use. But never place Baba under a staircase also. It is known that a family had once kept a small photo of their Baba in the shoe rack area thinking it would bless their home. But they faced constant stress. Once they moved Baba to a better place, their lifestyle improved. Spending even 5 minutes with Baba can daily transform your life. Light a diya, chant Om Sai Ram, or simply talk to him like your friend. You can read a small paragraph from the holy book Sai Sat Charitra, or just sit in silence in front of Baba. He will listen to what you have in mind. Keeping Sai Baba's idol at home is like inviting a divine guest to live with you. Have you kept Baba's idol at home? Please share your experience in the comments below.